Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can react on Instagram messages. It's pretty simple, but first thing, check if your Instagram is up to date, because sometimes the new React features is not going to be available to you on your Instagram if it is not up to date. So go inside your app store and then search for Instagram and check if there is any update. My says open, that means my Instagram is up to date. That's why it's going to work. But in your case, if it says update instead of open, click on update and update your Instagram. Once your Instagram is updated, go on the Instagram's message section at the top right corner. Once you're inside the message section, so I'm going to go on my friend's chat to send a reaction to this message he sent me. But you can do this to any person. The steps are pretty much same, alright? What you want to do is hold on the message to which you want to react. So I want to react to this message, so I will hold on it. Once I hold on it, all these things will pop up. And from all these things at the top, you can see the reaction. I can even click on the plus and add extra reaction over here from my phone. So I'm just going to click on a random reaction and it's going to be added over here just like this. Or I could just hold on it and then choose any reaction there is over here. So I will just click on the laughing one and the reaction has been added. But you can only add one reaction per message. I cannot add 2 or 3 reaction on the same message, alright? So that's how we guys can react on Instagram message. And make sure to check your Wi-Fi as well, because sometimes due to slow Wi-Fi as well, your reaction doesn't transfers to the message. So make sure to check that, because a lot of people are facing this problem. And most of the time it's their Instagram not being updated, or it's their slow Wi-Fi. So check that. So that's how we guys can do it. Hit the subscribe to our channel, 1 step for future videos like this. I'll see you guys next time.